This is a blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. There is a significant amount of dust on the lenses of all three rear cameras. Furthermore, the top camera lens appears to have been replaced. It's not the original one. Now, let's take a look at the phone screen. Tilting it under the light, the screen appears grayish black. This usually indicates an aftermarket assembly screen. Moreover, the black bezels of the screen are very wide. Let's observe the middle frame. We found that the two bottom screws are missing. Let's first plug in the charger to see if it matches the owner's description. Plugging in the charger, it shows a 0.5 watt charging current. The charging current is clearly abnormal. After a while, it indeed matches the owner's description. The screen flashes briefly. The Apple logo instantly disappears. It continuously does this, unable to power on or charge properly. So, what kind of strange is this? Could it be that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is this fragile? What is the actual cause of this malfunction? Let's continue to find out. If you can watch up to this point, you are a true fan of the master. Don't forget to double tap on the screen. Give me a like. I would be very satisfied. You've worked hard. Thank you. We found we can easily lift a gap in the screen. Let me ask you a question. What phone do you have, and how much storage? Then, we open the screen. The moment we open the screen, my teammate and I were utterly shocked. antenna, but there's another repair method. We can see this antenna is also an aftermarket installation under the microscope. We apply solder to the broken part of the antenna. This yellow copper is actually the ground connection. Antennas are also grounded. We take an antenna connector and solder it onto the broken area. After ensuring it's securely soldered, clean it. Then apply black insulating paint around it. Cure it. Okay, after dealing with that, let's handle the battery flex cable. Upon close inspection, the battery flex cable already has slight damage. Fortunately, the edge here is the ground line, but if left untreated, it could definitely cause a short circuit between positive and negative later on. Let's first insulate it, then secure it and cure the adhesive. Install the antenna screws. For the battery flex cable here, let's first move it a bit further away, then straighten out the flex cable. Okay, this looks much better now. Clean the phone's chassis thoroughly. Also, clean the camera lenses. Then clean the rear camera as well. Reinstall the rear camera. At this point, we need to replace all the missing shields for the owner. Install the missing securing shields, tighten the screws. Reinstall the front face ID assembly. Install the logic board. Tighten the several large screws securing the logic board. Connect all the flex cables. Install the internal SIM card tray. Clean thoroughly. Finally, clean the residual adhesive around the edges. Apply a new waterproofing adhesive. Now, let's address the screen. Clean the screen. Remove the transparent sticker on the back. This affects the screen's heat dissipation. Wipe clean around the screen edges for installation. Install the screen. Connect the display, touch, and earpiece flex cables. Replace all the missing securing shields. These shields prevent the flex cables from becoming loose in case of an accidental drop, so these shields are actually very useful. Peel off the protective layers of the waterproofing adhesive. Peel off the protective film on the surface. Close the screen. Let's also replace the missing bottom screws. Then, wipe it clean and plug in the charger. Okay, it powers on successfully. Enters the home screen. Afterwards, we test all the functions again in actual repair practice. Malfunctions like this one from the owner are very common. So, those watching this, could you have guessed that the fault with this phone was simply a loose battery? Grateful and thankful for every fan's support for the Master. If you like the Master's content, double tap the screen. If you haven't followed yet, please do. We will pack the phone and send it back to the owner.